Pull-ups are a staple exercise for anyone lifting weights or training for athletics. However, they have a higher barrier for entry than most lifts. Nearly anyone can take a pair of 5-pound dumbbells and do some bench pressing or goblet squats. But pull-ups aren't the same. They take a decent level of strength to body weight ratio just to get started. So if you haven't gotten that first pull-up yet, follow this ultimate 7-step guide and finally get your chin over the bar. Step 1. Set your training schedule. How many days a week are you going to train and on what days? Twice a week is a great place to start where you will make quick progress but not overwhelm yourself. Most people will be able to handle 3 days, but start with 2. And if you're not getting super sore and feel like you can handle that 3rd day, then add it in after a few weeks. Step 2 is learning how to retract your shoulder blades. While pull-ups aren't incredibly difficult technically, this is an important step. Learn how to drive the shoulder blades down without bending your arms. Getting comfortable with this is going to help you maximally utilize your back and get the most out of your pull-up training. I would start every workout with 3 sets of 10 here, holding that bottom squeeze for about a second and getting really comfortable feeling your back. Step 3 is building general strength through other exercises. You need a lot of back strength to do pull-ups. Do this alongside step 1. Your primary exercise is going to be the lat pull down, and we have a full video on how to execute that properly. Start out with 3 sets of 8, and you can build up to 5 sets as you're not getting sore, and just add weight as you can complete all the reps with good technique. Make sure to start each rep with a proper shoulder retraction. I would also do some rowing variations as well for 3 sets of 8 after the retractions and pull downs, and again build up to 5 sets. These are great for general back strength and give you just something different to do compared to only doing lat pull downs. Use whichever variations you like. My favorite are going to be dumbbell rows, cable rows, and chest supported rows. But if you like something else better, then that's fine too. Step 4 is progressing the retractions. Once you build up some general strength for 6 to 8 weeks, start doing your shoulder retractions on the pull-up bar, and not just on the lat pull-down machine. If you still aren't strong enough to do this yet, no worries. Just keep building strength with steps 2 and 3 until you're able to do this. Step 5 is losing weight. This isn't necessary for everyone, but if you are overweight and have excess body fat, pull-ups become more difficult because you have to move your body. This video isn't going to cover weight loss strategies, but it needs mentioned in a first pull-up video. Make sure though to seek professional help to do this in a safe manner. Step 6 is using slow eccentrics. Add in slow eccentrics or lowering yourself on the pull-up bar. Once you are capable of doing these, I would start your workout with 4 sets for 1 to 3 reps. Then alternate days of doing 4 sets of lat pull downs or your rows after. This is getting into the final stages. Once you can do a few slow lowering reps, you are close. Focus on fighting this and trying to hold positions as long as you can. You can do these if you can lower yourself for at least 5 seconds. If it just looks like you're falling, then don't start on these yet. Also, you can probably drop the shoulder retractions as now it should just be part of every pull down rep that you do, and probably doesn't warrant being done as its own exercise. Step 7 is trying the pull-up. After a few weeks of slow eccentrics and continuing your normal back strengthening exercises, try your first pull-up. Make sure to see our full technique video on pull-ups so you are performing it properly. Once you can do a few sets of 2 to 3 reps, you can start using pull-ups in your actual workout in place of some of the other back exercises like pull-downs or rows. Eventually, you'll be able to add weight to these as well. I love helping people get to their first pull-up. It is so rewarding to watch someone go from barely being able to hang to getting their chin over the bar for the first time. You can do this too. Just stick with it, keep working hard, and the sky is the limit.